Hi everyone, Meteorologist Michelle Muscatello here. After a stormy couple of days, we're getting back to some drier and brighter weather for today as our cold front moves further away and high pressure starts to build in from the west of us. So we're just getting ready to see those clouds breaking up, giving way to sunshine this afternoon. A nice change after pretty good rainfall amounts, especially in Ninigret, with the highest total in our region, more than 4.5 inches of rain. Most of us ended up with between 1 and 3 inches, including Attleboro 2.5, Jamestown just over 2.5 inches of rain. Warwick picked up 2, Bristol just under 2 inches of rainfall, and in New Bedford, more than an inch of rain. So expect the clouds to give way to sunshine through the course of the morning hours. In the afternoon, we're mainly sunny, and notice the temperatures are comfortable. They're running a little cooler than normal, but certainly warmer than yesterday, with our highs near 80 degrees in the afternoon in Providence, upper 70s in Newport, and mid to upper 70s across southeastern Massachusetts, including New Bedford and Fall River. Will be in the low to mid 70s on the Cape today. 8 o'clock this evening, clear skies, heading off to bed, and we'll keep it that way for tonight. So comfortable sleeping weather. Overnight lows falling to the upper 50s to lower 60s. If you're getting back to the beach today, afternoon sunshine expected, air temperature in the middle 70s. Beautiful weather. If you've got vacation week, not just through the end of the week, but into the upcoming weekend, we're going to be keeping it dry, storm-free with warming trend. Temperatures 80 today, mid-80s by Friday and Saturday, upper 80s by early next week. Have a great day.